Famous German writer and statesman, Goethe said that, things which matter most, must never be at the mercy of things which matter least. In this module of 7 habits, we will look at the habit 3, that is, put first things first. Habit 3 focuses on how to prioritize your work. Focus on what's important, meaning, the things that bring you closer to your vision of the future. Habit 3 is the personal fruit, the practical fulfillment of habits 1 and 2. Let us recap the first 2 habits that we have learned so far. Habit 1 spoke about the concept of being proactive, which is all about focusing on what you can control, rather than what you cannot control. Habit 2 focused on visualization and affirmation. It is more of first creation or mental creation. It's based on imagination, that is, the ability to envision, to see the potential, to create with our minds, what we cannot at present see with our eyes. It is the deep contact with our basic paradigms and values, and the vision of what we can become. Habit 3 focuses on the second creation, that is, the physical creation. It is also known as the principles of personal management. Habit 1 and 2 are absolutely essential, and a prerequisite for second creation or physical creation. Putting first things first is all about doing the most important things in life. It means being clear about your priorities and acting on them. That sounds pretty easy and intuitive. But many people fall into the trap of getting caught up in non-important things. They neglect the larger life priorities until it becomes too late to act on them. To become a master of your time, you need to first be aware of your priorities in the larger context of your life. The time management matrix is very useful in helping you achieve that. It will help you structure your daily activities and deal with them based on priority. So, let's look at each quadrant in the time management matrix in detail. Quadrant 1 has important and urgent items. This should only contain those activities and responsibilities that requires your immediate attention and reserved for emergencies and extremely important deadlines. However, spending too much time in this quadrant will lead to stress and burnout. The only way to reduce the time you spend in this quadrant is to be proactive and to spend more time on the important things before they become emergencies. Quadrant 2 deals with important but not urgent items. This is where you should spend most of your time. This quadrant is all about planning, prevention, capability improvement, relationship building, recognizing new opportunities, etc. Stephen Covey points out that this quadrant should be used for long-term strategizing. Quadrant 3 highlights urgent but unimportant items. These are the urgent items that pop up and demand immediate attention. But, because they're not important, they don't necessarily require your time, and they can be assigned to someone else. Some people seems to be busy always, because someone else's urgent task becomes urgent for the individual. But it comes down to lack of assertiveness and the individual is not able to say no. Quadrant 4 deals with unimportant and also not urgent items. The fourth quadrant contains all those activities that are neither important nor urgent, but takes up your time. Calls, social media, video games, unwanted mails, unplanned outings are all examples. So, does it mean that these activities are time wasters and should not be done? No, it just means that these activities should be a part of your planned schedule. These activities are important to relax, release stress and maintain relationship. However, you should plan for a specific time during the day or week when you will take up these activities, and never as an unplanned activity. So ask yourself, what am I aiming for? Therefore, in order to act, you need to be 100% sure of what's important, what results you're aiming for. Once you know your priorities, and organize your life around them, your actions will start reflecting your priorities, and, in order to say yes to them, you have to be willing to say no to something else. As Covey says, the key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Good luck.